Oh, that's cigarette out.
You know what that is.
It's to put
We
your
know
cigarette
you
out.
know what that is.
Oh my god, I never been this close to a squirrel before.
Hey, missed it.
I didn't bring my iPad. No, that means everything.
Next time.
I never been that close to a squirrel before.
I have.
I've never been this close to a squirrel.
Hey, you're too fast.
Move, Mom. I was your friend. Move, Daddy. Move.
Hey, this is my shot.
Close to a squirrel. It's so cool.
All you got to do is come sit in my backyard. They'll come right up to you and look at you like,
He's so
"What are you
cute."
looking at?"
I've never been with anyone like that. Shut up. You're so disrespectful.
He has no idea that he's getting a little bound or whatever you call it. Fuzzy.
Little chipmunk.
It's so cool.
Oh.
I can't cut you. I'm cutting you.
Whoa. Chipmunk just ran right by us.
Hello there.
Hey, mister, where you going?
Chap and chirpy.
Look, Jay, look. Oh, never mind. That was weird. I was like, what the heck? It went right by my shoe.
Look, something's been chewing on these. Eating it. Probably deer. Or maybe somebody just whacked it with a...
I guess they're just going to go whichever way they want to go, which is fine. Are all the trails paved like this?
Uh-huh.
Oh, I don't know. I guess I like that, but I kind of don't. Makes it feel a little less natural, but
A little less poison ivy-ish.
watch yourself.
What is this, a raspberry? It might not be a raspberry, so I don't eat it, Mom.
It's a blackberry.
Blackberry. But they're not ripe.
I'm not taking a picture. I don't take pictures. This would be fun to swing if you cut some of these vines.
Okay.
Don't fall and smash.
I'm gonna jump. Jump! Ready? Jump! Let me try. Okay. Here, got it. Okay.
Hang on tight, buddy. Don't fall. And...
I know. But, go! Whoa! Wait, I want to do it one more time. Okay, go. Wait, we can go on it.
Harder.
Oh! Whoa!
Fun?
Yeah.
Oh, it's breaking.
There we go. How do you do it? Like you go back here?
You're too busy documenting and commentating.
Have fun now. That's something.
Yeah, you did. Don't forget the water bottle.
We have to find the salamander.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jason. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Well, I'm the one who put some of this cake together, actually.
Okay. Oh, yeah. So that's gonna make it extra good.
Okay.
That was like right in my face.
And you wish to live to have another
Oh,
zero
all
added
berries.
to that 10, right?
Yeah.
You should just leave the light off. It's better.
There's blueberries in here.
I'm taking a video.
Well, you should take off the light.
Well, I can put all the candles after.
Oh, I don't want
Okay, yeah.
Thanks.
Mm-hmm.
You close the light.
Oh, you want some plain fruit, bud?
Um,